నేను మీ భవ్య అండ్ ఇప్పుడు మన ముందు ఒక క్యూట్ అండ్ మన మిస్ యూనివర్స్ ఇండియా 2024 ఉన్నారు రియా సింగ్. సో ఫస్ట్ అసలు మీ అందరు చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలని చెప్పకనే చెప్పేశారు. జెట్లీ మూవీ May 1 రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది అని చెప్పేసి. ఈ క్రియేటివిటీ ఎవరి దగ్గర నుంచి వస్తుంది? మన మత్తు వదలరా డైరెక్టర్ నుంచే వస్తుంది కాబట్టి సో ఆ మూవీ గురించి విశేషాలన్నీ మన రియా సింగ్ అని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. హలో రియా, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Good.
Yeah. So, did you ever heard about your dialogue in Mattu Vadlara? Who is Riya, Domini's daughter?
I have heard. Yes.
So what was
And
it?
I was so confused because the first time I found out about it, I saw it on the comments of the
Okay.
post. And I was like, why are people asking, where is Riya? Who is Riya? What's happening? And then I was like, they're not even writing the spelling right. R-I-A is not my name. R-H-E-A is my name.
Right.
So then I asked Ritesh. And then he told me. And I
Yeah.
was like, okay, I got it now.
Okay, so however, I think he searched for Riya for his next film. I think so. So he chose you. I think so, right?
I think he would, if it's pure coincidence, I hope it's pure coincidence and it's not just based on my name. I don't know actually.
So, but finally, she is Riya. We
her.
found Riya. Yeah, and Riya, what's your feeling, and how did you get this opportunity from Miss Universe stage to film industry?
I really enjoyed my journey as Miss Universe India. It taught me a lot of things, but coming into acting, it was a whole lot of learning and unlearning from what
Oh.
I had before. Because, you know, when you become a Miss pageant title holder, it entails that you have to be very proper. You have
True.
to present yourself a certain way. So you're taking up that kind of a character, and you have to break that character to now take on a different one.
Right.
I mean, look at Shivani Roy. She's this very strict, with a straight face, very little expression, but she still conveys through her little expression that she does show. So that to learn those nuances, I had to
Yeah.
break out of that. So it was a whole lot of learning.
And a Miss Universe pageant who is a pageant holder is saying that she has to learn more till.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So what is the difference you have observed in the film industry compared to pageant works and all?
So pageantry is not an industry of career. It's just something that you take on for a year, a responsibility almost. You have to take it as a platform where you can help people, and of course along the way you learn a lot of things as well yourself.
Right.
So that platform taught me a lot of things where you know, you learn how to be in front of the screen, you learn to talk to people, you learn how to interact with people from different ethnicities, because
Right.
you meet people from all over the world and even from all over India, because we all know
Yeah.
in India everybody, it's just so much diversity that you have to learn the differences between people as well and the similarities at the same time. So that's what it teaches you, but I had to do a whole different type of learning for acting.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then what is the first thing you learned after entering to the pageantry world, and what is the first thing you have learned after entering to the film industry?
The first thing I learned in pageantry was how to present yourself,
Okay.
because there can be a lot of ideas in your mind, but how do you
True.
show that? Now that also
Exactly.
comes very handy in acting, because you can have a lot of ideas in your mind about what the character is. You can read the script, you can ask the director, but it can't just be in your mind. It has to show. But at the same time, it can't be too obvious. It has to show as naturally as possible.
Yeah.
So that was very helpful. I was able to learn how to present, how to showcase. And when it comes to acting, what I learned? I learned how to not be too obvious.
Oh.
Yeah. Because if you're
Okay.
happy, you're like this. If you're sad, you're like this.
True.
It's not always like that. So
Right.
that's what I learned in acting.
Okay. So we have to maintain the energy all the time in
yeah.
acting. Yeah.
100%.
And however, how you are maintaining the energy, same energy throughout the promotions.
Thank
So
you.
you have to maintain the same energy in shootings too, right?
100%.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, and when they say action and when they say cut and pack up, so what's your feeling?
What will I eat? I get so hungry because
Okay.
a lot of the scenes that I had were action packed. And so, of course, along the shoot, they would give you food, like they would give you watermelon and things.
Right.
But it's not the same. You need to go back, chill, take your hair and makeup off, and then just eat in
Yeah.
peace. So, yeah, I would look forward to that and going to sleep as well.
Women love to enter into such fields, build their confidence and to build their identity. So, is the same for you?
I wished I had such a thought out story, but mine is a very,
Okay.
I didn't even know what I was doing. I was 15
Okay.
years old
Oh.
and my parents, my dad and my mom both had found this pageant that was happening, local beauty pageant.
Okay.
And they were like, you should go for it. You know, you like expressing yourself, you like walking on the stage, go. And they also didn't know, I also didn't know.
Okay.
And once I went for that, I won somehow. And then I represented India at a teen pageant.
Mm.
And then I was like, you know what, I actually like this. And so the reason why I got into the pageantry was a very silly story, but why I stayed in it is what truly matters. Because I
Yeah.
realized that you get a platform to talk, spread awareness. You get so many, you connect with such good people that it's just the best place for a person who's young trying to learn. It's great for them.
And also you have become a TEDx speaker too. So what's the main thing made you to build your confidence and speak in such a big platform at the very young age?
I think having confidence in when you speak is clarity in thought. When your ideas are clear, when you know what it is that you want to do in your life, what are the values that you believe in, when those are clear, speaking comes naturally. Then you don't need to worry. So clarity in thought, I think everybody, it does not matter what industry you're in, what you're trying to pursue, how old you are,
Yeah.
get it as soon as you can, because life gets a whole lot easier then.
Coming to the film Jet Li, so did you ask the director why he named this movie Jet Li?
That you'll have to find out on the 1st of May.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So, and did you observe the creativity he used for the trailer to tell about the film? And also, he has fixed in his mind that he is to release the movie in May 1st only. So, he has shot the scenes based on that earlier. So, did you observe that creativity of
Now that you
Ritesh?
mention it, yeah. I mean, think about Mayday, 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 right? On the
Yeah,
first. So I think everything is thought out. Everything is done by design.
Yeah.
Nothing is just by fluke. Because, I mean, if you want to make a movie that intrigues people, keeps them on the edge of their seat, I think two of the most difficult genres of the movies are thrillers, because how do you make somebody feel thrill?
Mm.
And even horror is, I think, very difficult. But they've taken two of the most difficult. Thrilling and making somebody laugh, not an easy job to do. So
True.
for that, it requires a lot of very detailed eye.
Yeah. And also, have you seen the part 1 and 2 of Mattu Vadalara?
I have actually.
Oh, so
yes.
what was your feeling after watching that?
I was very happy that this is the team I'll be working with, because I
Oh.
could see the progress that they made. No doubt, part 1 was amazing. I mean, that's why they became who they are.
Okay.
But you could definitely see the improvements. You could see how they've evolved into becoming such incredible filmmakers as a team.
Yeah.
And when there's harmony in the team, you know the movie is going to be good. And you know that they'll be able to bring the best out from you as well.
True.
So you may be a really talented actor, but if the team is not able to bring that out, then it may not work. So I
Yeah.
knew that this team is a good first for me.
Superb. Sounds good and energetic too.
Yes.
And you might have asked a few questions to Ritesh Rana Garu also, that how did he get such thoughts and what made him to screenplay very unique and make the audience laugh and get thrilled with his movies?
I think it's the harmonizing. He is like the leader of the team, you can put it that way, because he is the director. So what he does is, the team, he gives them so much freedom
Okay.
to be creative, because I've seen there are people who are the writers, they get the freedom of thought. He does not restrict anybody with his ideas. And what he then does is, he's able to bring everybody's ideas, and somehow, because creativity is such a thing that how do you put it together?
Right.
He's able to put everyone's different ideas so well put together, and that is what his magic is.
Yeah. And the sweet parties you have observed a lot from Ritesh.
Oh, there's so much to learn from him. Yeah.
Oh, great, superb. And coming to Satya, you might be knowing about Satya Garu also. He has huge fan base coming to the comedy genre, and most of the people just love Satya Garu whenever he enters on screen. So, how was your experience working with him?
It was so good. It was, I had seen him on screen, and I was like, there is something that stands out about him, because when he comes on screen, he transforms. He's able to make people laugh. And like I said, that's a very difficult thing to do. It's
Right.
not easy. And also, you may have the best dialogues that are written, but if they don't land, they
Right.
don't hit the same.
True.
So it depends who says the dialogues as well. And somehow he's able to make every single joke so funny. No matter what he does, everybody falls in love with him. Every promotion that we went for, everyone was cheering the loudest when he came. So
yeah.
I was so happy to see that people have so much love for craft and so much love for genuine, real talent. That is what I saw in him.
True.
Yeah.
And also, what's the major tricks or anything which you have learned from Satya Garu that he makes so much, he makes audience laugh a lot with ease of performance? So,
You know, he kept telling me when we were shooting that this is your first movie, so and it's my responsibility to make sure that you do your best, because I want to be able to help you and teach you as much as I can.
okay.
Not in a patronizing way at all. It was very genuine and sweet and
Okay.
all.
Sweet.
So I was like, okay, then teach me. What is there that I can improve? So then fortunately for me, he was such a supportive actor. He told me that whenever there is any sort of an instruction given from the director and anything, you take that, but you also add on your own flavor to it.
Oh.
Then you become a great actor. You can be a good actor, but you want to become great, you have to add your own flavor to it.
While performing, he might have taught you some Telugu words or fun words also, I think so, right? Did you learn any words from him?
So I am the kind of person that needs repetition. So if someone teaches me once, I might need to do it a few more times. But yeah, there are some words that I wouldn't say here. You know how everybody teaches fun words in the beginning. But yeah, no, I've definitely gotten to learn a lot from him.
So, or else, do you have any Telugu dialogues in the film?
I do. All of them are Telugu.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So, any one or two lines from Riya, that how she speaks. We found Riya, so we want to know what happened to Riya.
I keep saying this one. I'm trying to think of a different one, like right now, but it's. I'll just say the same one that I've been saying in the past few ones.
Okay.
It's a very funny dialogue, and it's one that Shivani says when she's super pissed off. She's like really pissed off at one of the characters, and she's like, "Itaniki tidaniki emna pettu, oriki na burra tintunnadu."
Oh, and coming to your fashion world, so most of the people have a doubt that so is the fashion world is same as fashion movie?
I have not experienced the same thing. I've been in the industry for almost 6 years now. So
6 years? Sorry, 6 years means you're 21 now.
I'm
think
21.
So.
I started when I was 15.
15.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I started modeling at the age of 15. I also entered pageantry at 15. So I can say that I've seen quite a bit. I have experienced what it's like to be in this industry. And you're talking about the fashion movie where Priyanka Chopra is the actress, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, so I love that movie. I love how it's well made. And there is some reality to it. That's if you choose that path. And that could be in any career. You could be in IT, you could be in basically any industry. And if you choose the wrong path, you could go down any lane. I'm a huge advocate for no drugs, no drinking policy. I would not even recommend anybody to, because, there's no point in going down that route. So anyway, the point is that you make your decision.
You have chosen your path at the age of in the teenage only, and still you're continuing, and still you're going other heights. So what made you choose this confidence level, and what made you choose this path?
I had in my mind decided that I want to become an actress from a very young age. Now, I did not know what it means to be an actor.
Okay.
If you put me back into my age when I was, let's say, 9 years old, and you say that this is what acting is, I would be like, really? Is that what it is? Because I only knew what I saw in Om Shanti Om. The pretty glamorous, hi, hello, I mean, it still kind of makes me feel as fascinated, but now I understand the workings of it. Of course, I'm more mature than I was when I was 9. So I understand that there are how the real world works, and I've actually fallen more in love with the industry. So it's different to what I thought, but I'm glad I'm here because it's shown me, it's made me the person that I am today.
Yeah. And do you feel this pageantry has opened the doors very easily to the film industry, or is it definitely a tough journey?
Indirectly, it has helped. And I'll tell you why. Because most people would think that, oh, now you have contacts. Now you can go through without even
auditions.
Yeah, so that's not true. Because think of Ritesh Rana Garu. Do you really think he would get somebody to be in his movie just because they are a pretty face? I don't think so. They would choose someone who can genuinely represent the character because they've put a lot of work into finding what the character can showcase. So that's why I keep saying I'm so honored that they chose me as an actor, because they would have seen something that maybe she can represent this character of Shivani Roy the best. So that's probably why I got selected. what does it help you in the confidence. It helps you open up, not feel as scared, because probably today I would not be able to talk to you if I didn't go for pageantry.
And also, I know, I heard that you love Priyanka Chopra a lot,
Yeah.
and whenever we love someone, we love to imitate them, right? So, did you ever practice anything from Priyanka Chopra?
If you're talking about the ways that she, uh, her way that she had gotten into the industry and how her ways of working are, yes. I think she's an incredible businesswoman. She has gotten her way into the industry with so much dedication and hard work. But at the same time, she has been able to not just explore what was given to her on the platter. She went out of her way,
Right.
went through, even though she became a star in India, she went through the difficulties of rebuilding herself in Hollywood. So that just shows that even though she had established herself, she had the hunger and drive in her.
Right.
And if that hunger and drive in you, the ability to want to learn dies, then you die as an actor, is what I feel. So
Yeah.
keep rebuilding, keep reinventing, and that's what makes you a great actor, and that's why she's a great actor.
Wow, super.
Yeah.
And coming to you, you speak so fluently, and whatever we speak, whatever you, as you said, whatever the clarity we have in mind, we can speak fluently.
Correct.
But few people lack about communicating the properly, and few people just stop without, I mean, due to some overthinking and all.
Correct.
So how can they overcome that, and how did you overcome that, and how did you learn all the languages and about presenting yourself?
I'm a Gujju, and there's this very typical Gujarati quality that there is, ki try karvama sujaj, and I'll tell you what that means. It means try karne mein kya jata hai.
Yeah, I got it.
And that I used to, you won't believe me, I was the shyest person ever. And because I let myself say, yeah, I can try, I can do this, I can do that. When you say you can, it opens up a lot of doors. So I was like, yes, I can do Telugu, I can learn a whole new language, I can interact with a whole bunch of new people. I could not talk, but I said I can talk. So I started talking, and that just happened. So and because it lets you, saying you can makes you let you practice.
People will get down at certain moment in their life while pursuing some toughest things, right?
Yeah.
So they have to balance themselves emotionally, at the same time physically they have to make them look good.
Yeah.
So how did you manage all these things coming to pageantry world and coming to the film industry too?
Simply gratitude, because pressure is privilege. I keep saying that. If you understand the value that is there in people's expectations, that yeah, of course Riya will be doing this, and me knowing that in my mind should not be, oh my god, how will I do it? It should just be like, yes, that is expected of me and I'm going to deliver.
Yeah.
That, when you're grateful, that thank God that people expect that from me, then life becomes a whole lot easier. Then you'll be able to achieve anything. Then even the most impossible things will start to become your reality.
Super.
Yeah.
Super. And oh my god, so we are learning many things from Riya. And how is your journey, and did anyone approach you after entering to this Jet Li film? I mean, did you get any opportunities for other films in Telugu or any Bollywood or anywhere?
Lots of eyes are on Jet Li right now. So yes, there are people who are observing and finding out who the actors are and what kind of movie are they making. So lots of people have inquired. But again, you have to be very careful with what you select, because eyes are on. So got to be careful.
Yeah. And coming to female, I mean, most of the people talk about women dressing and women physical attire and everything. So do you believe that dressing is the most important thing for a woman, and also maintaining the zero size is the important thing for a woman to grow higher in a higher stage?
I believe that being confident is the key. And a lot of the times being confident also entails that you take care of yourself. That does not mean that you need to be of a specific size. No, I'm not saying that you should maintain somebody's beauty standards in you.
Yeah.
You should feel beautiful by being the kindest person you know, by being the most hardworking person you know. And when you have all these things within you, then the confidence will show. And when you have that spark in your eye and you're talking to somebody, people will stop looking at the physical.
Exactly.
So you need to have that within you. And dressing, as you say, the way I look at dressing is completely different. I look at it as a symbol. If I'm promoting this movie, then I'll dress according to the symbols of this movie. I like that a lot. So
sweet. and I am feeling glad that I am feeling energetic after watching, after talking to you and after looking at you, because you're so confident. And I wish other women or other people also understand and take the same inspiration from you too. And also, of course, our Telugu people will love heroines a lot. And for our Telugu people, do you have any Telugu small line?
I don't know about that, but I'll promote the movie right now.
Okay,
I'll take
yeah,
this
for
moment
the
that you've
movie
given me.
only. Okay.
Okay, so May 1st is when Jet Li is releasing, and I will see you in the theaters. Please give all your love, all your support. This is a first for me, so it's very special. I hope you love it as much as I loved shooting for it.
Yeah. So మీకోసం మేడే వస్తున్నాను అని you
మీకోసం మేడే
మేడేకి వస్తున్నాము.
వస్తున్నారు.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet.
Thank you so
And
much.
thank you so much. It's nice talking to you, and you have insightful thoughts, and we wish Riya continues in Telugu film industry, and of course you will be added to our crush list.
Yay, thank you
all
so
the
much.
best, Riya. And ఇది చాలా క్యూట్ గా అండ్ వెరీ ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ గా చాలా యంగ్ ఏజ్ లో బిగ్గెస్ట్ ప్లేసెస్ అండ్ స్టేజెస్ ని అచీవ్ చేసిన రియాతో మనం చాలా విషయాలు తెలుసుకున్నాం. సో అంటిల్ దెన్ కీప్ వాచింగ్ ఎన్టీవీ. నేను మీ భవ్య సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్.